Hey guys, we received this COOFANDY store men's rain suit with a two-piece waterproof breathable rain gear, lightweight, and this have a jacket and a pant. So this is good for the rain or the wind. And just me just open and comes in a really nice packing with this vacuum pack. So let me just open it and show it to you. So this is a blue color one, and you can see a nice pant here. So lightweight, waterproof material, and the same with the jacket. So this is all the waterproof material with a big zipper and the side pockets. And you can also see like the inner material here. So this is the inner size material with the mesh and waterproof sides, and also some inner pocket to save your stuff like the mobile and things that you can put to save from the water. So this fits really well, comfortable, lightweight. So in the back portion as well, you can also just use the jacket thing and then just the trouser thing, but it's a complete set and really nice to hold with the waterproof and the breathable material, and then a good zipper to protect you from that.